Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on Amazon. While Amazon does not directly accept PayPal, there are effective workarounds to utilize your PayPal balance for purchases. We'll explore two primary methods that allow you to seamlessly spend your PayPal funds on your favorite Amazon products. These strategies ensure you can still leverage your PayPal account for all your online shopping needs, even on platforms that don't offer direct integration. Let's dive into the details. One straightforward way to use your PayPal funds on Amazon is with a PayPal Debit MasterCard. This card is directly linked to your PayPal balance, allowing you to spend money from your account anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Simply add the PayPal debit card as a new payment method in your Amazon account settings. When you're ready to make a purchase, select your PayPal debit card at checkout, just as you would with any other bank card. It's a convenient and widely accepted solution. Another excellent method involves purchasing Amazon gift cards using your PayPal balance. Several reputable third-party websites, such as eGifter or Raise, allow you to buy Amazon gift cards directly with PayPal. Once purchased, you'll receive a digital gift card code, typically within minutes. Simply navigate to your Amazon account, find the gift cards section, and enter the code to add the funds to your balance. This way, you can spend your PayPal money on Amazon indirectly and securely. To make the most of these methods, always ensure you have enough funds in your PayPal account before making a purchase or buying a gift card. If using third-party sites for gift cards, always verify their legitimacy and check for any potential service fees. Linking your bank account to PayPal can also facilitate quick transfers if your balance is low. These strategies provide flexible ways to use your PayPal funds on Amazon, giving you more control over your online spending. Happy shopping!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.